Hi everyone, welcome to another GoTechUp Junior tutorial video. In today's video, we will be doing a tutorial on a level 5. So, what is level 5 about? So as you can see here, for level 5, we have from level 4, the puddle. So we need to use the weight block here. But as you can see, what's unique about level 5 is that the portal is nowhere to be found. Where is the portal? Well, actually, our portal is at the back, but it is closed. So what do we do? Well, in order to open the portal, we need to get this orb at the end of the track here. Okay, once we get it, the portal will be open and we can head back to the portal. Now, in this level, there are two ways to solve this level. Well, the first way would be to move the robot forward, and then we reverse back to the portal. Or the second way would be we move the robot forward, make a U-turn, and then move back to the portal. So let's do way number 1 first, which is reversing. Okay, so remember we put our start program block here at the programming canvas. Then we need to move our robot forward by using the motor power 100 block. Now remember that's a puddle, so we need to take note of that. So how many blocks do we need to move forward, or how many squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we set here 4. All right, and after that we will put a weight, because at the fourth box here there is a puddle. All right, so just to test our theory out. Okay, no errors, we are good. Okay, next we need to move 3 squares ahead to reach to the key. So 1, 2, 3. So we take another motor power block, attach it under the weight, and we change the number to 3. Now let's see, does it work? Move forward, puddle, move for another 3 blocks, and as you can see, the portal is open. Now from here, like I said, there are two ways. The first way would be to reverse the robot to the portal. The second way would be to make a U-turn and move to the portal. Let's do the reversible way first. So for the reversible way, we will need to put another power block down here. Okay, but if you notice from the tutorial, it says that in order to reverse, what we can do is that we can change the motor power to negative. So this is the block that we are going to use to reverse. Okay, so we attach it first, and then at the 100 here, we put in the negative. All right, we put in the negative. So now it's negative 100. Now, what will happen if we put in a negative? So let's see. When we put play, all right, and once you get the portal, as you can see, our robot here moves forward and moves backward 1 step. Yes. Now, basically, changing the 100 means changing the 100 to negative means that it will move backward. All right. So let's see what do we need to do, or how many do we need to count to move forward, to move backward. So let's detach it for a while. Okay, we move forward, we get the door to be open. Okay, now let's count how many blocks. Remember how many squares. Remember, the puddle is still there, so we need to wait. Okay, so let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we attach back and we put 3. And what do we do when we are on puddle? Yes, we put the weight block. And then from there, let's count how many squares do we need to go back. Okay, so we have moved forward, and then we have moved backward to the puddle. Now how many squares do we need to fulfill? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we drag a blue block here, motor power block here, attach it under the weight, and we switch to the number 1 to 5 because of 5 squares. But remember, we are reversing. So this 100 needs to be negative 100. You are correct. Okay, so let's press play. Okay, and see how it goes. Okay, we wait, we move forward, open the door, and then we reverse. Okay, we reverse until, yes, we managed to finish level 5. So that is how you solve the number 1 way to solve level 5. But remember, I said there are 2 ways. Yeah, so let's do a very quick one, okay? So just like we do just now, we move forward, We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 blocks forward, and then we wait, and then we move again for 1, 2, 3, 3 squares. Okay, let's move forward first, and I will show you the second way to solve this level. All right, so the second way for us to solve this level is to make a full U-turn. So what we can do, we can either use the turn right block or the turn left block. Now remember, one turn right block only turns 90 degrees to the right or to the left. Now, because we want to make a full U-turn, we need to put it twice. Yes, we need to put it twice. All right. Then, after putting it twice, the robot will move forward. So, we'll put a motor power block here. And since we are not reversing, we do not need to change the 100 to a negative 100. Okay. So, let's count. 1, 2, 3. So, we need to push 3 squares. And then we wait because remember, there is a puddle. Now, after the puddle, let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we take another motor power block and we change the number 1 to 5 squares. Okay, because it's 5 squares after the puddle itself. Now remember, there is a puddle, we need to wait, okay? And remember as well, we don't need to change the 100 to negative 100 because we are moving forward. We are not reversing. So let's see if our plan works. So the robot will move forward first, wait at the puddle, and move forward again. All right? And then, as you can see, the robot made a U-turn, wait at the puddle, and we managed to finish our level. Okay? So now that is how you solve level 5. There are two ways, remember? To either reverse by changing the 100 to negative 100, or we use the directions to turn twice to make a full U-turn. And that's how you solve level 5. And I will see you again for level 6.